Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your Apple ID and enabling two-factor authentication, because that secures the keychain export process. Once done, open Settings on your iPhone or System Preferences on your Mac and access Icloud Keychain. This lets you view passwords to export. Make sure you have a password manager installed on Android that accepts CSV or manual entry. Now prepare to export or manually copy the needed credentials. This step moves secrets from Apple's ecosystem into a portable format. You now export passwords. On a Mac, use Keychain Access or Safari's password export. On iPhone, view each entry and copy manually if no direct export exists. Once exported, convert the file to a CSV formatted for your Android password manager. This ensures field mapping like username, password, URL. Make sure to clean the file by removing duplicates and unnecessary notes. Before moving the file, encrypt it locally with a strong password, so the transfer remains secure and private. You finish by transferring the encrypted CSV to your Android device via USB or a secure cloud link, then decrypt it locally. Avoid leaving plain text in cloud storage. Next, open your Android password manager and use its import feature to load the CSV, mapping fields correctly. Once imported, verify several logins to ensure usernames, passwords, and URLs work. If something fails, check formatting and field mapping, and confirm two-factor authentication requirements. Those often block immediate login.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.